Okay, so Marco, thanks for getting together. You were trying to work on cleaning up the HTML based on a site builder NetSuite website. And due to the way NetSuite catalogs everything, you needed to use some creative Chrome extensions to be able to add in abilities inside the website by injecting in some things. Can you briefly just show us what you're doing here and what you were trying to solve, and then how you built these tools?
Yes, that's correct. These are the website tags available under site builder tags. And when you open them, you can see that default value is not entirely visible. So you will have to click into each one of these and try to identify and search whether or not you can find the HTML that you're looking for. And it's really tedious process. There's so many of them. So I create this little view all link that when you click it, what's going to do is going to extract all of the edit links from the previous page and then open them up in the iframe. You can see how tall this little scroll bar on the right is, and they're all loading right now. You can see at the bottom, each iframe, probably about 50 of them, are opening up in this one view. And then now all I can do is search for where there is a problem, for example, s.nl, which is what I was searching for earlier. Okay, I fixed all of those. I put the root, there we go. They're at 11 of 21. Okay, so if I wanted to find across all the tags HTML I'm looking for, I can. This is one related to the site tags. The same concern was happening with uncategorized items, which was under site builder view uncategorized items. We have view all also. Very similar approach. There is a lot more HTML in this domain. This was also very helpful. And I was searching for system.netsuite.com hard-coded URLs due to the latest release preview, latest upgrade. So now I can easily search all of them. Little scrolling concerns, but that's there is nothing we can do about that. Once I identified a concern, I can click edit and fix it manually. Finally, we have the item category templates. This is very similar also. Each one of these contains HTML underneath. So it's either located under customize or located under edit. Both of these will be pulled into an iframe, and then I have a single place where I can search for all of them.
That way you can find the problem and you can edit it right in there. It's kind of a one-time thing to clean up, but we have really no other way of getting at that data.
Because it's a site build, there we have no other way of getting the data. That's correct.
All right, and I think you said there was one more thing you did?
There is some HTML that is buried. I think a detailed description. This is brief description. If we go into one of these, there is a detailed description that's hidden and cannot easily, there it is, detailed description. So if we have HTML in this area, you cannot export this very easily. So what I ended up doing is I created another, these pages are behaving differently. I can't open them in iframe. For some reason, there is internal redirect. So instead, I'm just exporting them to pipe separated values in the console. So if I just click on that button, I mean, I know it's happening in the background. I guess I could have done a little bit more user interface. But you can see there's 500 of them. I specifically requested that I'm displaying up to 1,000. So 500 are showing. And right here, you can see that we are processing. And the way the approach is to actually look at the XML equals true, which is the XML data, and then extract detailed description out of it. And I only picked three. I picked, I believe, title, brief description, and detailed description.
Okay. That's amazing. So you're saying, if I understand correctly, what this is doing is it's opening up all of those pages. There's 509.
That's right.
Getting the XML, you're finding the nodes of what you're interested in, the detailed things.
Absolutely.
And then you're saying what you're going to get is when this is done in the console, you're going to get the separated values of all the detailed descriptions. Now, once you have that data, you can inspect it right in one place. Is that what you're doing?
You can inspect it in one place, and also using CSV import is available to import the detailed description. You are not able to easily export it, but you can easily import it once you have it. So once you have it in a CSV, you can use release preview to test your imports and then apply it to production.
Okay, great, Marco. And this again is opens up because of your ability to program Chrome extensions. You're able to make the web pages behave a particular way with scripts running on Chrome for this particular website, correct?
That's correct. For this client, we ended up just creating a little Chrome extension related to the NetSuite e-commerce site. I believe if you go under Manage Extensions and then this extension is located in this location. The manifest really shows the websites where the Chrome extension is working at, which is the release preview website as well as the shop release preview website. So I'm able to interact with both.
Marco, that's amazing. It shows your ability to be very creative and innovative to take care of concerns that are unconventional. Great work. Thank you for sharing with that.
Totally. Thank you, Martin.